This is the fruit puree used to make vegan leather. Its raw material is actually discarded mangoes, so it is also called fruit leather. They can be made into wallets, handbags, shoes, etc. by modern machines. The tannery collects around 1,500 mangoes a week, most of them from local fruit importers. The first machine is responsible for cutting the mango into small pieces, and then crushing it into fine pulp. The mixture enters the barrel through a tube. The next step is to mix several additives in it, which can turn the mango pulp into a leather-like material, and equipment to detect whether the dose is up to standard. The amount of additives is the key to synthetic leather. When all the doses are up to standard, workers pour the mixture over a metal baking sheet and grind them to an even thickness. These mixtures are then put into equipment for drying and cooling. They are this light color before drying, but will change once they dry. Depending on the type of mango you choose, some mangoes will produce more of a brownish substance, while others will produce a darker color. Finally, these things will be sent to the leather factory, who will apply the protective glaze to it. The thickness of each piece of leather needs to be measured first, then they are mixed with resin to make a coating that will form a thin protective film on top of the leather. The machine presses the coating tightly on it, and then completes the high-temperature drying through this 100-degree machine, and the finished product needs to be placed on the rack for complete cooling. In order to make them more durable, every process here cannot be reduced. Next, another machine applies more heat and pressure to the leather. The final step is the design part. This embossing machine can make them look and feel like animal leather. These fruit leathers are then sold to designers around the world. Mango is the best choice for making fruit leather. The main reason is that it has a lot of fiber, unlike watermelon, which is mostly water. Although this leather is not as durable as traditional leather, it turns waste into treasure in this way and protects animals. Would you choose this fruit leather?